The Mahindra XUV500's infotainment system handles navigation, audio, and connectivity features like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The system can experience glitches, and resetting it is often the primary way to fix these issues. There are two main types of resets. A reboot is a soft reset that clears temporary memory. A factory reset restores the system to its default state but erases user data. Touchscreen issues sometimes require calibration to fix responsiveness problems. As of October 2025, newer models from 2020 onward receive over-the-air updates to fix bugs automatically. Older models still rely on manual resets. Mahindra recommends preventive reboots every 6 months for system stability. Always perform resets while parked for safety. To reboot the infotainment system, you have two main options. First, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen turns off and then back on. This performs a soft reset that clears temporary memory. For a factory reset, navigate to the Settings menu. Go to Vehicle, then System, and select Factory Reset. Alternatively, use an OBD2 scanner for more advanced control. Remember that a factory reset will erase user data and disconnect all paired devices. To calibrate the touchscreen, use built-in tools accessed through the settings or dealer software. This corrects alignment issues and improves responsiveness. For some models, dealer tools may be required for precise calibration. Experts recommend trying a reboot before attempting a factory reset to preserve your data. Always consult your vehicle's user manual for instructions specific to your model year and trim level.